Hey guys, welcome to ZoloBlocks. In this block tutorial, let's explore the post timeline block to create a beautiful post navigation timeline in Gutenberg. Have you seen post timelines before? A post timeline widget displays blog posts or articles in a chronological, vertical, or horizontal timeline format. With ZoloBlocks, you can design creative post timelines to engage your audience better. Sounds fun? Okay, let's explore the block. Adding the post timeline block to your landing page is easy. You can search for it on the Quick Block menu and select it to insert on the page. By default, the block shows your posts with numbering and a start-stop indication. The latest posts are at the top, and the timeline shows post image, date, title, description, and meta. Now, from the options, you can choose to change the timeline numbering position from the left to the right side of the posts. You can also select the center position, which takes the timeline to the center and distributes the posts on both sides of the timeline. Anyway, the options provide a bunch of buttons, which you can toggle to show or hide the start-end indication, post thumbnail, date, title, excerpt, etc. Then, for the content, you can choose the word limits for the post titles and excerpts. At the same time, you can select the title tag and excerpt indicator. And there's more. The query section allows you to select the source of the timeline, be it posts or something else. With the include filed, you can display only selected post type by the category, tag, author, etc. Also, the item limit option lets you limit the total number of displayed posts over the timeline. So, you can make the timeline longer or shorter with this. Now, if you want to change the appearance of the post timeline block, the Style tab will help you achieve that. Here, under the Timeline section, you can change the color of the line that connects from start to end of the timeline. At the same time, you can change the line width and style. For line style, you can have solid, dash, double, groove, etc. Then, for the numbers, you can change the number color. You can also modify the font style with the typography option. Typography is a combination of font customizations, such as font family, size, weight, spacing, decoration, etc. So take your time to make the font awesome. You can also change the background color of the numbers. The options also let you border radius and sizes. On top of that, you can add a hover effect on the numbers with the hover text, background, and border colors. The start-stop indications also can be customized by typography, color, background, border, and size options. Now, can you customize the items? Yes, you can from the Items section. So you can customize the background color, as well as adjust the item padding. There are also border, box shadow, and gap options available. As for the thumbnails, you can customize the image size, resolution, border, and spacing. There's more to this. You can enhance the thumbnails with the CSS filter options. CSS filters provide a couple of options like blur, brightness, contrast, saturation, and hue. This option is also available for creating hover effects. Again, you can customize the date meta by color, typography, and spacing options. It's easier and fun to customize with Element Pack. And if you want to customize the title, there is a dedicated section for that. So you can start with color and typography options first. Under the hover subsection, you can choose a text animation for the title as well as the color. You can try all the animation effects to choose the best one out of them. For the excerpt too, you can customize the color, typography, and margin. So customize to match it with the titles. As for the meta text, you will find similar options as above. You can try to match it as well to make a complete set. Also, you can change the separator symbol and category hover color as well. And just like that, you can make awesome post timelines in Gutenberg without a sweat. Take a look at the patterns we've made to show you its beauty. So, take the post timeline block to your landing page to make it awesome. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with ZoloBlocks. Please like and subscribe to this video, and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon.